Hi, everyone. I'm Sucheshna, CEO and founder of MobilityZ Health. I built this company from my own experience as a biotech and engineer. I had to do repetitive motions all day long. As a basketball player in the evening, repetitive motions again all day long. Over years, I developed a very painful lump on my hand, and that made my hand immovable. I went to orthopedic physician, but as you all may relate, that the appointment was 5 months away. During this time, I couldn't work, I couldn't play, and on the side, I was doing my astronaut training, and I couldn't even move my hand with the stiff gloves because of the injury. So finally, I got my appointment and realized that I lost 25% functioning of my hand, and the doctor said, "You could have come sooner." So later on, I realized there are 124 million people like me who get affected by musculoskeletal injuries. And the problem is that musculoskeletal injury diagnosis currently is in person only. And there are less number of orthopedic physicians and more number of patients, due to which per orthopedic physician, there are 2,000 people waiting in line to get their appointment. And telehealth diagnosis currently, it does not happen. So MobilityZ Health is a remote diagnosis and screening platform for orthopedic doctors. They can virtually screen and diagnose the patients through our web app, which has 95% AI/ML model accuracy at this point. It's a tech-enabled workflow where the patient registers himself, gets analyzed through the app, and finally knows the status of the injury. It's a remote patient monitoring solution with clinician decision support system which reduces orthopedic burnout, manages care, reduces healthcare costs, provides access to care for patients, and reduces disability. MobilityZ Health can help 60 million people in rural America who do not get specialist care. It's a 70 billion market with the potential to grow to 200 billion with a 23% CAGR. And the healthcare cost in MSK is 329 billion, which could be reduced through this solution. Also, employers pay 167 billion every year for injury claims, and we can reduce that. We have an exceptional competitive advantage being first in the market to have a screening and diagnosis software. Also, we differentiate ourselves from our competitors having a telehealth platform that is embedded with software. While our competitors are more in the telehealth aspects and more doing physiotherapy and rehab space, we are working in the consulting and diagnosis. This is an incredible untapped market that we need to achieve. We have 2 revenue streams, employers and healthcare system and hospitals, where we are reducing their cost and also giving more hours back to the surgeon. This way they can earn more, doing more surgery, more strategized workflow, and there is a 30x ROI per hospital with 2-tier model, which is enterprise and orthopedic small clinics model. On the employer side, they can reduce 10x in injury claims, and there are CPT codes. We have an exceptional team of clinicians and software developers, clinicians being Harvard, Stanford graduate people, and our software developers have built a startup before and took it to acquisition. With a remarkable traction, having the patent-protected technology, interest from NASA Human Research Program, we internationally published with IAC as well. And currently, we are looking to partner with Methodist, TTU, HSE, who have 180 counties under their belt for virtual care. We have 9 LOIs, 200+ patient interest, and currently we are looking to partner with employers and hospital care system from Tulsa ecosystem and Houston. And there are 7 in the discussions currently. As we build our beta product, we will go towards more consumer-facing app and further go for medical device. For the initial tranche, we are raising 1.8 million. That will go towards the development. I would like to invite you on this revolutionary opportunity to change the face of musculoskeletal diagnosis so you can save life of millions and help them to reduce disability. We would like introductions from manufacturing firms, health plans, brokers, and here we are, MobilityZ Health, Injury Care Anywhere. Thank you.
Like we always do with this town.